Thanks for calling Wireless Connections. Okay, the Premier plans? Yes, we do. Okay, so all of the Premier plans have benefits. hmm Okay, so let me make sure. Let's see. Okay, so the Premier plans have all of the benefits that include exclusive perks, nationwide 5G coverage, unlimited talk and text, and unlimited 5G and 4G data. Mm-hmm. Yes, that's unlimited as well. Well, each Premier plan has different prices. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so the Premier Max with 5G is 175 a month, and the Premier Pro 5G is 145 a month, and the Premier Plus 5G is $85 a month. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah. Okay, and so how many lines were you needing? Two? All right. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's fine. Well, we'll be here today until 6, and we will open tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Mm-hmm. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, is there anything else I can help you with? Okay, well, we will see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you. You too. Yes, sir. Okay, you too. Bye bye. Hello. Okay, you can come on out. Okay, can I get your phone number? Mm-hmm. Okay. Miss Taylor? Okay. Mm. And you're paying $65 today? Okay. Okay, and will you be paying with debit or cash? Debit? Okay. Okay, you can go ahead and swipe your card when you're ready. Okay, just hit the green button. Mm-hmm. Okay, and one more time. Okay. Yep. Okay, and did you want a paper receipt? Send it to your email? Okay. All right, and can you verify your email? Okay. All right, so your payment is processed there, and I have sent the receipt to your email. Is there anything else I can do for you today? Okay, you too, and you have a good day. Thanks for calling Wireless Connection. Okay, dear, can I get your cell phone number? Yes, starting with your area code. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, and you're Miss Brown? Okay. Okay, so your total balance is $75 and that payment is due by September 8th. Yeah, you can make a payment today. Okay. Right. And you're paying the full amount? Okay. And did you want to use a card ending in 3671? Okay. Want to use another? Okay, that's fine. I would just need to get your new card information. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll be right with you. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, starting with the card number. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, and the expiration date. Okay. And the three-digit security code. 609. Okay. Okay, and this is a Visa. Okay. All right. All right. Did you want me to send this receipt to your email? Okay. And your payment has processed. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, it can get by sometime. Yeah, but you still had a couple days. Okay. All right, there. So, is there anything else I can help you with? Oh, you're welcome, and you have a great day as well. Okay, you too. Bye bye. You can come on out. Thanks for waiting. How can I help you? Okay. Okay, and your name? Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and get your cell phone number. Okay. Okay, and they called you yesterday to pick it up? Okay. Okay, dear. You can have a seat and someone will be with you shortly, okay? Okay. Thanks for calling Wireless Connection. Okay, dear, sure. One moment, please. How are you? Okay, and which plan are you on? Okay, yeah, that's not unlimited. That's the prepaid plan. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Actually, it's not much more if you wanted to switch to the unlimited. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. And which phone were you interested in? Yeah, you can get that phone. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you want to finish taking a look? Yeah, because we have more over here. Mm-hmm. Okay, you can just come back up and just let me know. Okay, dear, take your time.